What's good with it, family, man? It's your Brody Diz, and we back with yet another freaking video. Hope you guys are feeling wonderful out there, because y'all know me, man. I'm blessed by the best as always. Today, I wanted to bring you guys a different type of video, another recipe video. I haven't done a recipe video in a while, so I just wanted to bring you guys this video to show you guys how to make your own homemade Larabars, date balls, however you want to formulate it and mix them and put them together. But we're here to pretty much bring you guys this recipe idea because we've been embarking on a journey of like raw plant-based nutrition, raw plant-based lifestyle, and a lot of the stuff that we traditionally eat, like Larabars, which could be very expensive if you just go to the store and just buy them a lot. And like us, like we like to snack. So we figured, how can we potentially make this at home? Because a lot of the stuff that we get out of the stores is pretty simple to make, and we just really wanted to start making this stuff at home to, of course, be more cost efficient. Really just trying to see how we can keep some money in our pockets. So we figured the best alternative was to actually learn how to make Larabars, date balls, and all that type of stuff. So this is what we pretty much gonna do here today. So I just asked all of you guys to pretty much smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you new. We're gonna get y'all in and out. It's gonna be a quick recipe video, and we just gonna, you know, show y'all what to do. Let's get it.
There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely.
So this recipe pretty much calls for a few ingredients, bro. Not a lot at all, man. This stuff you pretty much would already have at your house already. We got walnuts here, we got pecans, we got cacao, hemp seeds, Ceylon cinnamon, and we pitted some dates, as y'all can see. Like I said, pretty common ingredients, especially when it comes to the plant-based or vegan household. You should have these items pretty much already on hand, but if you don't, it ain't nothing to go to the store and just pick them up. But anyway, let's break it down for you, man. So we got 1 cup of walnuts, of course raw. We have a half a cup of pecans, as you guys can see, half a cup. I've already done a measurement, so no need. I already got it. But anyway, we got, is this 10 or 11 pieces? 11 days. Typically we call for like 10, but we saved 1 just for that extra. Might have to use it. But anyway, got Ceylon cinnamon. Try not to use like cassia cinnamon or the regular cinnamon, because like really honestly, this is the true cinnamon, the best cinnamon that you can get. Ceylon for sure. If you ain't got none, go get you some. Got hemp seeds, of course, bro. Add that healthy omega-3 fat in there, bruh. Love hemp seeds. They really don't have much of a taste, especially when you blend them a lot, but you just know you getting extra nutrition when you put hemp seeds in whatever you're making, so always a good addition. And last but not least, we have fair trade cacao powder. 100% cacao powder, bruh. It's raw organic cacao powder. Simple as that. Non-alkalized. Straight like that. Anyway, what we're gonna do first, we typically just pour our ingredients in the food processor. Won't get them all around. Make sure it's kind of spread out even, because I'm gonna post some more stuff in there too. Put the pecans in there next. And boom. And we typically just pulse these ingredients first, then we add all the other stuff next. Show y'all. All ready? Aye, Captain. Let's do it. Wow. As y'all can see, flash a light. Let me flash a light over here, because I know it's a little dark. Y'all see how it's coming, man. You don't want to, you know, shred them up too thin, because they can become nutty or become oily, so you don't want to pulse them too much. So that's just right. Cool. And now we put all the other ingredients in. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon to that bad boy. Next up, add our hemp seeds. 2 tablespoons of this as well. Yes, sirski. Getting it in, baby. I'm putting y'all on game, bro, because I promise I had no idea this stuff is this simple. This is insane. It's that simple to make easy, healthy choices, bro. Like, I love it. Add that cacao powder. 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. Well, it just really depend on how chocolatey you like it. Everybody's chocolate liking is different. So we love chocolate in this household, so we tend to go more chocolate than not. Last but not least, we got our dates. So we're just gonna add 10 first, and if we need to add that last one, we'll do that. But if not, you know. Yep. Probably gonna need one more.
We might, but let's just see.
We'll see. Alright. Y'all ready for it? Let's do it. Alright, sometimes you may have to push your stuff down. Be rising up. You wanna make sure you get all of it pushed down so it can get hit by the blade in the food processor. And we may need to add one more date. We'll see. We'll see. We will see.
I want your blessing that day. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we confirmed it. The base is good. I'll take it off. Alright guys, so got all our batter right here. So what we do is you get like pan like this or some type of bowl. Pour all your ingredients in it. Get it up out. Get it all out. You got a little thick on it now.
That's what we want.
Fresh out, fresh out. It actually look like brownie batter or something. Make a brownie. It pretty much goes back to when I was saying earlier in the video that you can make these either into balls or you can make them into bars. Really, whichever you prefer. You know, but anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how to make the ball version first. It's pretty simple, bro. All you want to do is you get a small handful of it. However big the ball you want to make. You want to make the balls, you know, a decent size. You don't want to make them too big. You don't want to make them too small. Just depending on your, you know, depending on you. But this typically like the typical size that we make our date balls, or you know. So yeah, what we do is we just escort that over to a plate, and we just set that there. You can do it that way, or you can do it in a bar way. In a bar way, it's pretty much, it's simple, straightforward. So boom, what I'm gonna do is with my hands clean, right? So I'm gonna make sure I spread everything out first. So I spread everything out. And what I do is, I just mash it. Just mash it all around in the bowl. And you can do this in a pan, long as the pan is deep enough to be able to hold it, you'll be pretty good. Kind of like just spread it all the way around till it evens out in the pan. Make sure it's spread out even all the way across the pan. And you're gonna have some uneven spots where it's gonna be more date batter than others, but that's okay. You just wanna make sure you spread it out as much as you can, and it's all gonna come out good either way. So tap them edges a little bit, tap them edges. What you do is after that, you just throw this thing in the freezer for about 20-30 minutes, cut them, and boom, you got date bars. Alright guys, so it's been over 20 minutes now, and we're gonna check on our batch. We gotta actually pull this one out too, the date ball, to show y'all pretty much how they came. So I'm gonna set them right here actually. Alright, so this is the date, the bars that we're gonna cut up, and that's the ball. I just did that one ball just to kind of demonstrate, but we're gonna actually cut that thing up. Cut it. How you like your bars? You like your bars thin or thick?
Medium.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you think medium is.
Okay. The first cut always the hardest one to get out because of the pan. The pan is all the way around and it's high. You can't get around the edge. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually a pretty good slice. Oh shit. But yeah, that's pretty good slice. Set that down. Broken half, but yeah. Gonna give it a taste test. I guess I'll give him right this other half. There we go. Okay.
Good.
Let me get one more of them going. Damn, these joints are fire. As always, like I said, pretty simple to make, pretty simple ingredients. Stuff that you should already have around the house typically, especially if you plant-based. If you vegan, you should already have stuff like this around the house. But, like I said, pretty simple ingredients. Cheap too. In the long run, it can save you a whole lot of money from going out and buying granola bars, Larabars, and stuff like that. Save you a whole lot of money. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I taught you something today. If you can, please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. I don't want you guys to miss out on any of this wonderful content because I'm dropping like a fly. Appreciate y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.